This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the strap and the connection points. This tells you why it failed. Use a spring bar tool or small screwdriver and a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Once done, position the watch face down on a tray so small parts won't roll away. You'll feel for loose play at each lug. That play means the spring bar is worn or misshated. Make sure to note bar size and end style now so you get the correct replacement if needed. Now remove the strap one side at a time. This is where careful pressure matters. You compress the spring bar inward at a 30 to 45 degree angle so the flange clears the lug hole. Doing this prevents gouging the lug. Once compressed, lift the strap away while keeping tension on the tool, then repeat on the other side. If the old bar is bent or corroded, replace it with a correctly sized bar. This restores secure tension and prevents sudden detachment. To finish, seat one spring bar end fully into its lug hole and compress the opposite end while guiding it into the opposite hole. You should hear or feel a subtle snap when it seats. Once attached, wiggle and gently pull the strap 5 to 10 times to verify secure fit. This proves the tension and alignment. If you notice any looseness, try a slightly thicker replacement bar or inspect the lug holes for deformation. Realigning or replacing the bar fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.